What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Super quick and cheap video tonight. Just a quick little mod you could do to your key, because we all know the TRX key isn't as cool as the other Hellcat keys that have the red key. So you go ahead and you can buy one of these on Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description below, and it is a carbon fiber case that you could go ahead and put on your key. So it looks pretty cool. If you have the carbon fiber interior pieces, you can go ahead and you can match the key to the rest of your interior. As you can see, it just more or less clicks together. So drop it in there like so. Carbon fiber, you can still see the TRX logo on there. Then you just go ahead, click it together. And like so, you are done. Carbon fiber key. Pretty cool. You can go ahead, throw your key tag back on there. Should I make some TRX key tags? Sell them to you guys? Yeah. Or just leave it like so. Let's see if I can get this on there. There we go. Sorry, this is taking longer than usual. Cool. Key tag. Carbon fiber key. Pretty cool. Like 15 bucks. Definitely looks a little bit nicer than just the regular key with no cover on it. So there you go. Quick video tonight. Like I said, link for this will be down in the description below. Go buy one. Quick, simple, cheap, effective.